Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go consent stickers. So if you're having issues sending stickers, so what you're going to do, you're going to keep in mind that you will be only able to send stickers to the people in your friends list. So in other words, like people who have accepted your friend request, so you can only send stickers to those people who are on your friends list. So you need to make sure that you have added your friends and they have accepted your request in order to send that. And if you're still having issues with sending stickers to your friends, those people on your friends list, then what you can do, maybe there might be a bug on the app. So always a good idea is to check for any updates on the app. So see if they have any updates in the app, and if there is an update, kindly update the app. And also what you can do, you can, if that doesn't fix, you can also reinstall the app and see if that works. And most of the time reinstall or restart your phone as well. So reinstall or restart would fix up the issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.